These days, I don't really care for all that empty conversation. No. These days, I don't care for competition. You're the one that's racing. No, I don't really want to talk about what I got coming out next. I'm not showing up.
So today I am going to be doing a hair review on the Luvme hair company, and I have their 360 breathable lace wig, and I have it in 14 inches. And the lace or the hairline already comes pre-plucked. So in the box they give you 2 stocking caps, which are tan and really not my color, so I'm going to be using a darker brown one. But it also comes with a comb. It comes with 2 clips. It comes with eyelashes. It comes with the little flyaway tamer wax. And what else does it come with? It came with hairpins, which come in handy, not necessarily for the wig, but just for other things I need to do with my hair. And it also came with an elastic band, which I have already sewn in to the wig. The wig itself, on the inside, it comes with 3 combs and also the adjustable straps in the back. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and pin my hair back so that I can get the wig to lay as flat as possible. And I feel like this color wig is going to work a lot better for me than the lighter colored wig. So to make it look a little bit more natural, I'm just going to put my color foundation on the lace so that it blends a little bit better. And I'm just taking my makeup brush and I'm just kind of dabbing it until I have all of that lace covered. So this is supposed to be a body wave wig, but my wig didn't really come with a lot of curls. It came with, I guess, kind of a loose curl, or I guess maybe that is a body wave, but some people's hair that I saw was body wave, their curls were tighter, but my wig didn't come like that. And I did buy this wig with my own money. But I'm just going to use the clips that they sent in the box just to try to hold the hair back for when I put the lace down. I want to try to keep the hair from sticking in the gel that I'm going to use. So I'm using the Got to Be Glued in the black bottle. I know some people use yellow, and I really don't know the difference between the two, but the black is what I have, so that's what I'm going to use. And I'm just going to rub the gel around my edges. Now, I do have a low hairline, so I cannot sit my lace in front of my hairline, or I will have a Herman Monster-esque look. And that's not the look that I'm really going for. So I tend to kind of put mine on my hairline, and then when I take it off, I'm just very careful. I make sure that the glue has released completely before I pull it off so that I don't pull out my edges. But right now I'm just kind of trying to get the gel to get tacky, so I'm using my blow dryer on cool. And then I'm just going to take my comb, the end of that rat tail comb, and try to press the lace into the gel to get it to stick.
These days, care for all that empty conversation. No, these days I don't care for competition, you're the one that's racing. No, I don't really wanna talk about what I got coming out next. I'm not showing up to one up just to show up in front of your friends. I don't really wanna meet you out just to have something to post about. Lately I get real exhausted by the thought of having to pretend that I had a good time with someone who's just interested in what I got and not who I am. I ain't got the energy. No, 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 for all this time that I'm wasting, spent on the surface. I don't wanna fake it, cause I realize that I ain't got the energy. No, I ain't got the.
So right now I'm just kind of going around and pressing the lace into the gel and holding the wig taut to see if I can get it to stick. I was having a little bit of trouble with it. I have not had many lace wigs or ones where I actually try to melt the lace, so I'm still new at this and I'm still learning. So yeah, I was having a little bit of a time with this. And so I'm just kind of blow drying again, trying to get the to get the gel tacky. But that wasn't really working for me, so I just decided to tie down the lace for about 10 minutes.
Next, I'm not showing up to one up just to show up in front of your friends. I don't really wanna meet you out just to have something to post about. Lately I get real exhausted by the thought of having to pretend that I had a good time with someone who's just interested in what I got and not who I am.
So after I take off my scarf, it was holding down pretty good, but I did get some of the hair into the gel, which I wasn't really wanting to do. So you'll just see me trying to pull some of the hair out of the gel so that it's not stuck. And so I'm just going to try my hand at baby hairs. I've never been able to do baby hairs. I don't know if it's in your wrist, but my swoop just ain't happening. So I'm still also working on that. And I'm going to use that foam to try to lay down my baby hair. And I'm using the Motions foam. I've had that foam since forever, but that's what I have on hand, and it still foams up and works. So that's what I'm using. And I'm trying so hard to lay these baby hairs, but it's not about the right. It's just not about the right. So I tried every which way to swoop them to the right, to the left, every which way. I was not feeling them, so I eventually decided just to go without some baby hair.
conversation. No, these days I don't care for competition, you're the one that's racing. No, I don't really wanna talk about what I got coming out next. I'm not showing up to one note just to show up in front of your friends.
I have not been wearing the hair for very long, but my initial impression of it is that the hair is soft. I do like it, but I do notice that it does have some slight shedding. If I had to give the hair a grade right now, I would probably give it a grade of either a B or a C, and that's because the hair doesn't really hold a curl. It does have slight body to it, so I'm just going to comb it down and wear it like that, and I'm just going to apply that flyaway wax that they sent with it, and I'm going to use my hot comb to kind of melt it a little bit, and that's just to give the wig a more sleek appearance. But that's the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please thumbs me up, and also hit that subscribe button down below if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I ain't got